lady engineer, I think she likes me because the third time. We got some H2 in there. We got H1 in there. We also have that H1 has got a panel from, looks like from a war bonnet, a red panel on it. Train's moving. Yeah, that woman keeps waving at me. The third time in the last 2 times down here. Yeah, she always opens the window and waves at me. Yeah, like I said, it's the first day of spring. Beautiful day out here. It's about 10:30 a.m. Got out of here about 4 hours ago. Got some really good action. Even got my drone up, so make sure you hit that notification bell and you don't miss any of the action from today. There's the Shake Hamburger Fry guy. Talking about the graffiti. Looks like it's probably a Z train. We'll see. It's got a lot of priority containers on it. Prime, FedEx. E is for Estes. That's a pretty big trucking company. Yep, it's a Z train. Usually have about 100 to 115 cars, give or take. Last time Carol from Australia counted them for us and she came up with 113. Hi, Carol. We got a lot of subscribers from Australia. Love you guys. Things are crazy over here right now. Thanks for hanging in with us. Top speed up here is 35 miles an hour. The train has to be going just about that, I think. Our friends from Pinkerton Security drove by. I don't think they saw me over here. They just don't care. C.H. Robinson's a pretty big trucking company, too. Or Warehouser, or whatever they do. Cajon Pass, railway fans. We're at Sullivan's Curve, right around milepost 61 and a half. Train is westbound on main track number 2. It's a short one. Holy moly. A train less than a minute long. Well, heck. Make a nice short. All right, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We'll catch you on the next one. Cajon Pass, railway fans. We got a BNSF domestic stack train. It looks like main track number 1, eastbound. We're Sullivan's Curve. I started off shooting up a little bit higher on the hill there and started losing my footing, so I repositioned here. Today we're kind of going from Blue Cut to the Walker section. So right now we're in the Cajon section. Started off in Blue Cut. Blue Cut's at milepost 65 just about, and milepost 61 and a half right about here. Got some international containers and some domestic containers. Buddy's down there behind the vehicle. It's actually a Z train. I apologize. Not your typical Z train, but it's a Z train. Especially the end of it here. FedEx, UPS, frozen products, trailers. There's HYUZ trailers are made by Hyundai Corporation in Tijuana. Like that one right there. Plain white one. Kind of long for a Z train. Kind of a combo stacked Z. Should be about over soon. I hope you like that. I'll probably stay here and catch a couple more. Please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more and we will catch you on the next one.